Let's see real quick what comes in this iSteady X3 SE. So on top you have your manual, some other paperwork stuff, safety guidelines. Then you have a little tripod stand here, so I'll just set that down for a second. I'm doing the small packages first, save the best for last. So your charging cable, USB to USB-C. All right, and you have a nice cloth case here. It feels nice, kind of silky-ish on the inside, outside. Almost, not quite, but almost feels like a lens cloth. Not sure, maybe it is, I don't know. And then the main piece here. Get this pulled out. All right, here is the gimbal. So just wanted to let you see real quick everything up close. Charging, here's power. You push that, I'm not sure if it comes charged up already. Oh, turned it on and it got to work. So it does have a full battery, if you can see there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing hooked up pretty soon, give it a try, and then I'll do another review to show you how well it works for me.